In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a CapCut subscription. It's a straightforward process, and we'll walk through it together step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your CapCut application. Make sure you have it installed on your device. If not, head over to your App Store and download it. Once that's taken care of, tap on the CapCut icon to open the app. You'll be greeted with the familiar home screen where your creative editing journey awaits. Now, if you're not automatically logged in, you should log into your account. It's important to have your credentials at the ready, be it your email, username, or however you initially registered. Having an active account ensures that all your subscription settings are securely linked to your unique profile. Once you're logged in and are on the home page, the next move is to navigate to the Me section within the app. It's usually situated at the bottom right corner of your screen, represented by an icon of a person. Tap on it, and you'll find yourself in your personal user area where you can manage all sorts of account settings. Inside the Me section, keep an eye out for an option labeled Join Standard. Go ahead and click on it. This is your portal to exploring CapCut subscription plans, which offer an array of features that aren't included in the regular free version. Continuing forward, you'll be presented with several options for subscription plans. You'll notice a few options such as Standard, Pro, or Teams. At this juncture, it's a good idea to take a moment to click on these plans and compare what each one offers. Features may vary, so choose the one that aligns best with your editing needs and budget. After you've weighed the options and made a choice, it's time to select your preferred plan. This is a crucial decision that determines the enhancements and capabilities your CapCut editing experience will have, so pick wisely. With your plan in mind, tap on Purchase. This action will initiate the subscription process, bringing you one step closer to unlocking premium features. The final step is entering your payment details. Here, accuracy is key. Double check that your payment information is correct. This typically includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. When you've confirmed everything is in order, click Subscribe, and that's it. You're now officially subscribed to CapCut, ready to explore all the tailored tools and exclusive features that can elevate your video editing projects. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're excited to get creative with CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing.